Hi, my name is Rachel Barnett from Gentle Frog. In today's video of QuickBooks training, we'll talk about how to create an invoice in QuickBooks Desktop. For this sample file, I'm using QuickBooks Premier 2017. The process that you'll go through will remain the same whether you're in 2017, 18, 19, or beyond. There's a handful of ways to do this. I'm just going to use the dashboard or the map on the desktop screen. So in the middle of my map, I have my Customers section. I'm going to select on Create Invoices on the left-hand side. At the upper left-hand corner, I'm going to select the name of the person that I'm going to create the invoice for. In this case, I'll create an invoice for a sample customer. The date on the invoice is defaulted to be 2021, so we're living in the future. The terms on the invoice is going to be when I'm expecting for this to be due. Am I going to give them a discount for paying early? Am I going to ask them to pay it immediately upon receipt? Will it be due in 15, 30, or 60 days? I'm going to say this is due immediately upon receipt. For my customer, I'm going to bill to and ship to the same location, so I'm not going to worry about the second box. In the body of the invoice, I get to select the items that I'm selling to my sample customer. So when I click the drop down, it shows me a list of items that I've set up in QuickBooks, basically things that I can sell to my customer. So I'm going to sell a floor plan. The description box provides me a location where I can add extra details. So I can say floor plans for new edition. The quantity, I'm going to sell them one floor plan. The rate, my floor plans go for $199. I can toggle whether it's taxable or non-taxable. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to make it not taxable. I can add extra notes here in the middle, in the body of my invoice. So I can say, these are floor plans for the new edition of the kitchen. So you may have any sort of notes you want to put on your invoice that's different than customer message down here in the lower left-hand corner. So customer message is, it's been a pleasure to work with you. But this information up at the top is more like, here's the stuff I want in the body of my invoice. So I'm going to click Save, and I'm just going to show you what this looks like. So if the word print, I'm going to click on downward arrow followed by preview. When I click on preview, you'll be able to see what the invoice looks like. So now I can see floor plans, one floor plan, $199, and then the extra notes that I've provided, and then down at the very bottom, it's been a pleasure working with you. So that is how to create an invoice in QuickBooks Desktop.